naputol kasi binalak pa. So yun nga, they never get to guide me physically, emotionally, mentally. Ay, physically ba? Emotionally and mentally pala. And it's like, I have to shape myself. I mean, siguro gano'n naman lahat, I guess. I mean, like, but, yun. So, wait lang. So, yun nga, being with her, it's like unlocking my true self. Like, kung sino ba talaga ako bilang tao. It's not all because she's my first, or like, she's the first girl that I love. And like, first long-term relationship ko. But like, I mean, na-discover ko yung sarili ko paano magmahal. But like, at the same time, hindi ko alam. Na-discover ko lang sarili ko. I'm with her. Or I forgot myself. Hindi ko alam. But yeah, yun nga. So, it's just, there's something within me kapag siya yung kasama ko. It's like, I swear, iba ako sa ibang tao. I mean, gano'n naman, diba? Iba tayo sa partner natin, iba tayo sa ano. But, she's like the exception. I treat her nothing with gentleness. Like, ano gawin niya, gano'n. I could never do that, ano. Pag ako inano niya ng aking ina mo rin gano'n, hindi ko alam. Taga, mahal ko siya. And like, talagang, tinake ko talaga yung oath ko and promise ko to treat her with all the love that she deserves from this cruel world. So yun nga, being with her feels like day one. It actually feels like February. She doesn't even care about sa na nararamdaman, because I feel like she's always about her thoughts na like, oh, mali yung ginagawa ni Haya. Okay, it's all about like, bakit mo ginawa to, bakit ganyan, ba't ganyan magsalita, why you act like this, why, but never like, I don't know, like, these past few days, hinayaan ko na nga lang. It felt like she was blaming me. Like, it was always my fault. Ganon. I kept thinking na, baka fault ko naman talaga. But, at the same time, I think na, hindi naman talaga. Pero yun nga, lagi nasa, tipong, itong nasabi ko lang itong ganito, tayo na, parang, ang ano-ano ka na, ganon. Hindi ko naman siya biniblame siya, but, hindi ko alam bakit nagiging ganun siya, kasi hindi naman siya ganun. Maybe because iba na kami ngayon, like parang like, alam mo yun, parang sobrang ganun na kami, and like she cares everything that I do, but I don't think so na it is sa good na paraan, because it's like, I don't know, hindi ko alam, nakaka-hurt na ganun, but of course, ako to, I endured it, kasi I love her, and may pinagdaanan siya, but I can't be with someone na like, ganun. I mean, I still choose her, many times over, but she and I, Val and I, needs the space to grow, needs the room, we both need the room to grow, and like, we can't have that room kapag magkasama kami. I mean, we did grow a lot, like sobrang a lot, like we like bloomed like a flower, you know, we bloomed like a flower, but this time it's just different. I don't wanna compare our track sa iba na ito hindi naman naghiwalay, ito hindi naman kami ito eh. So if ever man na balikan kami, ayaw mo na isipin niya na magkakaba kami soon, ayaw mo na mapunta sa ganong idealistic thought. Kung ano mangyari, at this point di ko na alam, kasi I am officially gonna announce that I feel like I'm losing myself. Like, it's like I don't even know kung sino ako. It's like I'm just functioning because I have these responsibilities class president, anak, friend, SSLG, but hindi ko na alam kung sino talaga ako, kung ano bang gusto ko, kung ano bang goal ko, para bang hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam, I'm professionally losing myself. It's something great fun sa akin. I'm losing myself. I don't want that to happen. I don't want to lose myself. I have sacrificed so much. I've grown a lot para lang mawala ko yung sarili ko. So, I'm gonna pretty much focus sa academics ko, hindi sa sarili ko. I mean, gano'n din yun, mag-focus ako sa ACADS ko, focus sa sarili ko, but, gusto ko talaga, emphasis on the ACADS. Gusto ko talaga mag-focus sa ACADS ko kasi, wala, hindi siya all because para ma-maintain ko yung high honors ko. Ito pala, yun pala, I'm losing myself, but like, at the same time, I see the light in it. It's like, napunta ako sa tunnel. I don't know where to go, sino ako, sa tamang direction. Pero nakikita ko na yung tamang light. And, buti naman, gusto kong mag-thrive sa ACADS ko. Hindi because they're expecting me to excel. They're expecting me to get good grades, or like, they're expecting me to get high honors. But it's more of like, gusto ko mag-aral, gusto ko matuto, gusto ko makakuha ng mataas na grades para sa sarili ko. Gusto ko makakuha ng mataas na grades and achievements, hindi sa pagka-cram at hindi sa dahil sa kilala ako. Gusto ko kasi because of my hard work and like slowly good thing naman, yung mga people na nakasurround sa akin, I mean sa class, hindi lang naman kasi all about sa mga pukin ng mga lalaki ng klase na mga buwisit, but my circle right now, particularly Michael, I've been thinking a lot about Michael lately kasi parang nagiging motivation ko siya to thrive, na like kahit na sobrang exhausting ng groupmates, ganon, ang taas yung grades na nakuha niya, and like I want that for me too, and like wala lang, sisipag kasi ng mga classmates ko na friend ko, so like parang motivate din ako to do so. So again, I'm talking to myself because I don't wanna cry. Pretty much talking to myself just to distract. Kasi ayoko na umiyak. Pagod na ako umiyak. I feel like every time I cry, a fragment of mine is like lost and never retrieved again. So I don't want that to happen. That like wala na ako maiyak kasi numb na ako. Like actually numb ako like this past few days na pagod ako sa school. Kasi hindi naman numb. Siguro ano lang, I feel in peace because she's there. But that's the thing, yun nga kasi, never kasi ako natututo. Kaya, eto na naman yung nangyari. Never ako natuto kasi dependent pa rin ako sa kanya. I mean, it's naman ako crash out agad. Pero, tingnan natin. Mag-vlog pa ako kung siguro bukas, yun, after ko sa class, pag uwi ko, kung gusto nga ba ako. But yeah, matutulog na ako kasi maaga akong gising mamaya. Gagawa ako ng notes ko kung kaya ko para hindi na ako mag-gram. Naiyak ko na kasi lahat kanina. Yun. That's pretty much it. Bye.